Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. If you wanted to improve your grammar, you are in the right place, because in today's video, I'm going to talk about the present simple, and we start from the basic form structure. Okay, so before we dive in, let's have a look at what is present simple. Okay, present simple is a verb tense with two main uses. We use present simple when the action is happening right now or happening regularly. Okay, so we need to use present simple a lot in English, and it is very essential for us to understand it very well, even though many students still have problem with it. Alright, now let's have a look at present tense with be. Okay, you have to remember, positive tense here mean normal, not a negative, not a question. And this is sometimes called affirmative. Alright, here's an example. We can write the positive form in present simple in two ways, a normal form and a short form. I am, you are, we are, they are, he is, she is, it is, it's. Alright, let us move to the negative form. The negative form is really easy. All you need to do is to add not after be. Like, here is an example. Just like the positive form, in this form, you can write it in two kinds of ways, the full form and the short form. I am not, I'm not. We are not, we are. They are not, they are. You are not, you are. She is not, she isn't. He is not, he isn't. It is not, it isn't. Okay, so finally, let's talk about the question form with be. There are two forms for question form, the WA question form and the yes-no question form. So first thing first, let's talk about the yes-no question form. In yes-no question, all you need to do is to put be in front of subject. For example, here, am I, are you, are they, are we, is he, is she, is it. Okay, let's talk about the WA question form. If you're willing to make WA question form with be, all you have to do is to put WA question in front of be and then subject. Here is an example. Where am I? What are you? Why is he? Who is she? How are we? When are they? Alright, now let's have a look at present simple tense with other verbs. The positive here is really easy. Then all you need to do is to put an extra s if the subject is he, she, or it. Alright, now let's take a verb walk as an example. I walk, you walk, we walk, they walk, he walks, she walks, it walks. Do you heard the S sound after the end of the sentence? This is really important. Even the really good students still forgot this. Now, you have to remember that there is still few words that have to change before we add S, such as study. The Y at the end of the word, we have to change it to IES. Another example, try become tries, marry become marries, fly become flies. But Y doesn't change when it next to the vowel A, E, O, and U, play, buy, enjoy, etc. Another grammar rule for positive statement is that the verb that ends with S, SA, CA, O, and X, we have to add ES. For example, pass, was, teach. There are few verbs that are irregular in present simple, such as have, do, and go. Irregular here means its change depends on the subject. If the subject is I, you, we, they, we don't have to change it. But if the subject is he, she, and it, we have to change have to has, go to goes, and do to does. Alright, let's take a look at the negative form. In this form, we have to use don't and doesn't. Here is an example. Let's use the verb walk again as an example. I do not walk. We do not walk. They do not walk. You do not walk. She doesn't walk. He doesn't walk. And it doesn't walk. Therefore, the short form and the full form, either one is fine, whichever you prefer. What about the question form, you ask? Well, just like with B, in this form, we can also use two types of question, the yes-no question and the W8 question. If you want to use yes-no question, you have to put do and does before the subject. For example, do I play? Do we play? Do they play? Do you play? Does he play? Does she play? And does it play? Alright, for the W8 question, just like with B, if you want to make this kind of question, you have to put W8 question at the front. Have a look at the example. Where do I play? What do you play? Why does he play? Who does she play? When do we play? And how do they play? That's all for this video, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. And if you think that this video is very useful to you for studying English, then I suggest you to subscribe to my channel to not miss more videos just like this that I will release in the future. I will release more that related to verb tense. Okay, so finally, hope you enjoyed the video and I will catch you guys in the next one.